First, let me show you the live view of the website we are building. I enter the password, click the download button, and as you can see, the file download starts immediately. Once it finishes, I open the downloaded file to show you that everything works perfectly. Next, I open the complete HTML source code file of our website. Inside the code, I highlight three main options that you need to change. First, the option to set your custom password. Second, the place to add your Google Drive file ID. And third, the field to enter your Google Cloud API key. After that, I explain step by step how to create an API key in the Google Cloud Console. I open the Cloud Console and walk through the exact process to generate the key. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser and log in with your Google account. At the top of the dashboard, click on Select a Project and then click New Project in the top right corner. Give your project a name like Drive Download App and click Create. Once the project is ready, make sure to select it from the top menu. Next, we need to enable the API. Click on the navigation menu on the left side, go to APIs and Services and select Library. In the search bar, type Google Drive API and hit enter. Click on the Google Drive API from the search results and hit the blue Enable button. Now let's create the API key. Go back to the APIs and Services menu on the left and click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials at the top of the page and select API key from the drop-down list. A pop-up will appear displaying your new API key. Copy this key and save it safely in a notepad. To keep your key secure and prevent misuse, once the key is generated, I open our website code again and paste the generated API key exactly where it says Enter your API key. Next, I open Google Drive and select the file I want to share. Initially, the sharing link is set to private. I change the permission to anyone with the link. Then, I copy that share link, extract the unique file ID from it, and paste that ID into our code, where it asks for the URL ID. Finally, I open our newly created website one more time. I enter the password, click download, and the file downloads successfully. Thank you so much for watching. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.